Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uy, bagubi ako mata. Balik eye bags. Alright guys, so Australia time today, Thursday, 27th of February, 5:45 p.m. So obviously this vlog is all about the easiest way to come to Australia. Okay, so what are the common ways to come to Australia? So the first one is student visa. They are very common. The second one is work visa. If you have an employer, a job offer, so pwede ka sa work visa. Number 3 is sponsorship visa. So this is my visa, sponsorship visa. And the last one is what I am going to talk solely in this vlog. So ito po yung visa na, ito po yung the easiest way no to come here in Australia. Pero I'll just time myself 12 minutes because I usually talk so much, talk a lot. So I will just set my time to 12 minutes guys so that this video will not go beyond that. Alright, 12 minutes. Okay, so, alright, so student visa, work visa, sponsorship visa. I am going to put the link in the description box below, a link to these visas. Okay, this is the immigration website of Australia. So you just click the link and you just explore what are the requirements, the processing time, the cost, and how are you going to apply for the visa. If you are interested to apply for the student, for the work, and the sponsorship. Pero, yung akin pong pag-uusapan ngayon is the easiest way. And what is it? What is it? What it is? What is it? Ito po yung partner visa, guys. Yes, it's partner visa. Okay? So, obviously, alright, you can apply for a partner visa, okay, if of course you have a partner who is in Australia, that is an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or an eligible New Zealand citizen. Okay, so before I read this, what's on my screen right now, I just want to share an experience. No, I think this was 3 years ago, a few years ago. So ang nangyari, nandun pa ako sa New Zealand So ang nangyari, there was one Canadian guy I met in the pub, and then I was still drinking that time, and he was drinking as well, and then he asked me, "Are you Filipino?" And then I said, "Yes, I'm a Filipino." And then sabi niya, you Filipinos are scammers." And I said, "What are you talking about?" Filipina women are scamming me with money, asking money, and then eventually disconnect. So I said to him, well, because I already know that it's an ongoing trade, in the Philippines, but not all. So I told him, hey, mister, do not generalize everything, okay? I am a decent Filipino. I work here. I am a professional. And don't say that all Filipinos are scammers, because we are not all scammers. There are scammers, but not all are scammers. So then he said, no, I've been scammed 3 times. He was chatting with Filipinas and Indonesian as well. He got scammed 3 times by a Filipina. So, yun, sabi ko, I'll just avoid, I just ended the conversation. So, ngayon, because I'm talking about the partner visa, I am encouraging kayong mga magagandang Filipina dyan, or kayong mga gwapong Filipino dyan, ang gagawin nyo, gamitin nyo ang inyong utak para gumanda yung buhay ninyo. I understand that in the Philippines, it is very, hard. But if you have access to the internet, if you have access to dating sites, okay, use your brain to better your situation. Especially if maganda ka, gwapo ka, mag-download ka ng dating app, okay? Or you invest kasi merong subscription in order for you to use those features. Mag-download ka ng app, tapos you can set the location. Lagay mo dyan Australia or kung ano yung country na gusto mong puntahan, United States. Ilagay mo dyan, tapos mag-scroll ka. By the way, this Canadian, he was in his 60s, right? He was in his 60s or late 50s. So, mag-download ka, tapos ang gawin mo, mag-date ka, swipe ka, like ka, tapos anong tawag dito? Mag-match. Mag-match ka kung meron kang nagustuhan. Chat, getting to know each other, and then if, make sure that you also like that person. And then you invite that person to the Philippines. Pag okay, go. Let's say for example Australia na let's talk about Australian kasi I'm in Australia. Okay, yung term kasi nila nakabingwit ka ng Australia or nakamatch ka ng, palitan na natin na yung nakabingwit. Nakamatch ka ng Australia kigwa. So ang mahitabo is he can invite you here in Australia. Okay? And that's when you can apply for this partner visa. Okay? Wag yung I have to emphasize this, wag yung palaging humihingi ng pera na nang scam kayo kasi masama yan. May karma yan. So, wag kayong tumigil na kayo. Ang gawin nyo yan ng tama. Buhatan ninyo ang sakto. If you want to improve your life, you can actually without scamming people. So, yun. Okay? You can apply for partner visa. Ito na yung partner visa, guys. So, meron tayong partner visa temporary and partner visa permanent. Okay, so for partner visa temporary, you can stay, alright, temporarily, you can stay in Australia temporarily until your permanent visa application is finalized or you withdraw your application. With this visa, you can live, work, and study in Australia while we process your permanent partner visa. So, di ba? You can live, work, and study. Alright? So, pag nakapunta na kayo dito sa Australia, grabe, ang laki ng sweldo. Okay? Especially tayo mga Filipino, we are very hardworking. So, malaki talaga sweldo mo. Mag-overtime ka, ay nako, malaki ang kikitain mo. Okay? So, make sure din na yung Australia na papakasalan mo or Australia na you want to be, the Australian that you would like to be in a relationship with, may gusto ka. Or worst case talaga na gusto mong pumunta ng Australia, hindi mo gusto yung Australian, pero inano mo na lang, you force yourself para lang makapunta ka sa Australia. That's okay. Parang okay ako dyan. Para isang isang scamahan. Ano ito sabihin? Para isang, So, it's only one lie, okay? Rather than repeated scamming, repeated lying. So, ito na lang yung gawin mo. One big lie to yourself na, I don't like this Australian, pero aanuhin ko to para makapunta ako ng Australia. Pagpunta mo dito ng Australia, pwede ka pag meron ka ng trabaho, meron ka ng permanent partner visa, which will allow you to live here permanently. Pwede mo nang hiwalayan. Or maybe that time, na-develop ka na, which is a good thing. Diba? So, that is very important. And the other thing is, with this visa, you can travel to and from Australia as many times as you want. Okay? So, you can go home, come back here, back and forth, Philippines and Australia. 10 free English language classes provided by the adult migrant English program if you are eligible. So don't mind that. Just cross the bridge when you get there. And you can apply for access to Australia's public health care scheme. You must be a genuine relationship with your spouse or de facto partner who is an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen. Have your spouse or de facto partner sponsor you. Be in Australia when you apply for this visa. Family who apply with you must also be in Australia. Be in or outside Australia when we decide your temporary visa application. So that is the partner visa temporary. Now let's go to partner visa permanent. Alright, so basically after your temporary partner visa, you can apply for the permanent. Now it says here, with this visa, you can, in addition to what you can do with the temporary visa, live, work, and study in Australia indefinitely. Meaning indefinitely, you can stay here for as long as you want. Sponsor eligible family members to come to Australia. So if you have kids, pwede mo nang madala yung mga kiddos mo dito sa Australia. So how exciting is that? And the last one, you can apply for Australian citizenship. See? Ma-citizen ka na dito sa Australia. And look, Australia is the first world country. Merong free public healthcare system and many more benefits pa. So, you have to aim for this, guys. And it says here, you must hold a temporary partner visa, subclass 820, or dependent child visa, subclass 445. In most cases, continue to be in a genuine and ongoing relationship with your sponsor. So that's why I'm saying, if you don't like the Australian, agwantahin mo na lang. Agwantahin nyo na lang mga kigwa mo. Kay this is for you. Okay, but again, I'm hoping that your feelings will develop later on because it's going to be a win-win situation for both of you. And so yes, I am going to put the link in the description box below, guys, so that you can click it and then you can just go over it. So that's it, guys. That is the easiest way. Oh, I've got 7 seconds already. I will extend 1 minute. So that is the easiest way and the cheapest way as well. You just have to subscribe to whatever dating sites subscription, so you can change the location of the dating app to Australia, and then you can scroll and then match with an Australian. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are doing well and stay healthy, and again, don't forget to think young and stay young. I will see you in my next vlog. God bless you and take care. Have a great life.